Hey guys, welcome back to Kajin Garage, and let me tell you something. For the past 2 days that I'm trying to record, this is what I'm getting. Rain, 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 rain. So I just want to give you an update what's going on in Florida, north of Florida, where my son lives, Ivan. It is snowing. Jacksonville snowing. Where my other son lives, it's snowing. But my daughter, it's not snowing, but it's cold as fuck. And I'm in South Cape Coral area, and it's raining like a motherfucker. Now remember, hit the like, hit the share, subscribe. That's what will help me out to get my channel to the next level. Meantime, went in parts on this. There's the fuel pump went bad on it. Put the Hellcat fuel pump on it, but the wires that I was, if you watched my last video, long story short, the wires, chin strap that I was using, it wasn't fuel strong enough and ate it up, so I ordered a new sending unit for the car. Besides that, I started working on the EG to I can get the car running. The plan was today take the EG to the warehouse and park it over there with the EF that I have over there and have a better area, you know. But it's not happening. Every time you step outside, it's raining. You gotta stop. Don't stop raining. Don't stop raining. And that kind of sucks because I want to work on those cars back there. But as I said, and then the wind. Oh my God. The wind is moving everything up. That's my trailer. Ooh, you step over here, it's cold as hell. Right here, it's cold as fuck. Ooh. So, all the wind is coming from the north and this way. Hopefully, it doesn't snow here, because if it snows, this guy will be out on the weather. Baby's good. Hope you guys liked the last video that I did on that. Well, let me move indoors. It's too cold outside. Guess what, guys? Oh, the sun came back. So this is the deal that I got going on right now. I'll put it right here. So this hatch has been sitting for a while. What's going on is that I need to basically take this out, because I got to drill a whole hole into the block. It's not what you think, because I got to turn the car on. The car runs and everything, but I haven't put it on the road because these water leaks from this end, and I'll show you what's going on. All this was brand new parts at one point. Now that it sits outside in the sun, it gets old. So I'm gonna put a quick glance on the video, me taking this apart. Hope you like it. Alright guys, I got this massive intake off of it, and this is what we gotta do. I have to drill. Let me show you. Put this back on here.